strawberries is now flowering. Here it is. I'm just hoping they are bigger strawberry from the garden center. After being looked after just for a few months since the first week of spring, I planted here right in the big pot in new styro. And look at these flowers now. It's just going crazy, and I've got this bee here, but something not well with the weather, really hot, so the bee came me right in my foot, so I put this bee here. Doesn't look like they get used with the weather here, so I'm just helping him to put it right in my flowers, because that's been a few of them here right now in my basil, sweet basil.